School in Year 3 visit the Apple Store on Orchard Road to participate in a free workshop. We walked from school, which isn't very far from the Apple Store.
The Apple Store is huge. It is a very nice environment with trees inside the lots of sunlight. When we arrived on the second floor, we sat down in front of a big screen, and the people in the Apple Store gave each of us an iPad to use.
We followed the instructions from the presenter. Our task was to learn how to create a digital drawing of a treehouse.
We used the Apple Pencil and an app called Procreate. It was fun to use the pencil on an iPad.
It was also quite easy to use, and as you will see, we managed to make some really interesting creations. Here are some different works from Year 3 students.
Everyone in Year 3 had a great time, and we look forward to making more digital works using different digital tools.
This is Ariana
and Haruto for Chat News.